Wala nagsabi sa akin ito bago manganak si Mrs. And I wish someone did. So here are the 3 things na blindsided ako as new dad. And I don't want the same thing na mangyari sa'yo. The first night with your baby is the hardest. And not because something is wrong, kundi dahil pareho kayong bago sa situation. Pareho kayong natututo ng walang manual. You are both figuring out in real time. And you know what? That's completely normal. Second, your wife is not okay that night at hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo yun. Isipin mo na lang that her body just went through something incredible. She's learning how to breastfeed, her hormones is crashing, at the same time nagre-recover din yung katawan niya. And on top of all of that, fini-figure out pa niya kung paano maging nanay. Diba? All at the same time. Ngayon ako na mismo magsasabi sa'yo, she's not okay. Kaya kailangan natin silang i-check regularly at magtanong tayo ng mga intentional questions. Hindi yung generic na tatanungin mo siya, babe or love, okay ka lang? Diba? Go deeper. Kasi mas kailangan tayo ngayon ng asawa natin. And third, your relationship will change. And that's okay. But it doesn't mean naman na something is broken. Pareho kasi kayong nag-a-adjust sa sleepless night, diaper changes, at sa bagong version ng bawat isa. Dahil along the way, may madidiscover pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. Sometimes you might feel distance, pero yung distance na yun, it's not the end. Kaya stay connected, check on each other regularly, especially in the first few weeks. So if you are about to become a dad, or may kilala ka na magiging tatay na, share mo to sa kanya. Sana may nagsabi sa akin ito before, ngayon, ikaw na ang magsasabi sa kanila. Follow for more tips, sana makatulong. Ingat!